What's up guys, Express here, and I'm back with another redesigning video. In this video we have two amazing headers that were posted in my Discord. Let's jump straight into it. Okay, so we are in Photoshop and we have this amazing header that was made by Kenzo. It's a Naruto header. Kenzo was one of the winners, or the top 5 winners of previous month. So I thought, why not take his banner that he posted in the Discord server and see how I can improve it or make it worse. I don't know. So what I'm thinking to do is maybe, you know, he has some brushes on the sides, position them differently. I don't know. Of course I'll use a gradient map because that's my standard thing to do. I don't think I'll change too much. Oh, what is this? We have brush shading and whatnot. Okay, I love the naming of your files, to be honest. We have another mixo effect. Is this just a brush? This is just a brush. So yeah, in the right corner there's also a brush like that. We'll remove that. Probably move this a bit down. This one is a completely different art style than Naruto, so I'll remove that real quick. I'll give him a gradient map so you don't have that problem anymore. I don't know about this one, Chief, but I'm gonna make her bigger as well, turn it a bit more around. Okay, gonna give her a gradient map as well, but this time maybe just a black and white gradient. Okay, and then we have these little characters that I like. Maybe I'll put them like here, somewhere else, because they're now really focused on the text. Like, I love that he's right here, so I'll keep him here, I guess. And then we have this little fella as well, and maybe we can put him at the bottom as well. Maybe making him a bit smaller. Let's focus on him. Or we can do this. We can flip this horizontally. We can put this right here. You have these little like side things, and I want to add those. So I'm gonna copy the text. I'll remove that. I'm just gonna look how they originally do it and try to recreate. Change the gradient to a blue gradient. Blue. Okay. I think we're there. I think that's what I wanted to change to it. You know, it's not a lot, but you mean I wanted to keep it short but simple, but still look nice. What I will do now is just some camera raw filters and some blur. So I'm gonna merge everything. Okay, I'm gonna select that. Layer via cut. Okay. What we will do is, because he blurred the outside as well, we're going to do that as well, because that was a nice touch to it. Blurring a 4.7, taking the brush, make it a bit bigger. Of course, the hardness on 0, and you can just brush the inside. Okay, I think I'm happy with the result. I think I changed what I wanted to change, and still I like what he did as well. I just put some of my touches onto it, some gradient maps, made the text bigger. That's edit the text a bit, you know, just some standard stuff, because I thought I'm not gonna edit this too much because it already looked nice. Okay, we're here with the next banner, another Naruto one, so I thought let's keep it in the theme, let's keep it Naruto style. And I saw this one, and it's from ZXRO. Okay, another paper texture, gradient map. Okay, to be honest, I prefer this without the gradient map. We have another gradient map, that's just black. Okay, it's a bit black. We can keep the gradient map. Another X. Okay, but let's just start with the main render, and that's this one. To be honest, I would make him a bit smaller, so like so we can see his head and his full face. So I think this one is also too big compared to the other one. So you wanna always have one main focus, and then you wanna have the side characters, or like this side renders, a bit smaller in my opinion. Okay, I like that the eye is still red and everything is black, so I'll keep that. Okay, we can do that. Then we have these other circles again that I do not like, and I'll remove them. We have this random, also remove that. Okay, we clean up the left side. Yeah, okay. Just to keep your X, we'll put it right there. Random placement right there. Okay, now we'll start with the text. So I want to have something that fits, you know, that fits the theme, the overall theme. What if we enable the gradient map again, and his gradient map? Nah, that doesn't look right, you know. Then what we can do is like maybe put a stroke, big stroke outside, then another stroke outside with just another black color, because maybe I'm considering to move everything to the left and put the text to the right. it fits. And if it fits, it fits, you know. Now, what if you do like a hint of color? Okay. Something like that. Yeah, we can do like a splash here. Maybe in the text as well, like in the eye. Yeah, this could work. Okay. Now, what if you put like 3D map on top of everything? Then put a hue on that. There you go. I think this looks really nice in my opinion. Really love what I did with it. Not gonna lie. I think I spiced it up a bit. I hope you enjoyed this other episode of Redesigning. Join the Discord if you want to join this little series that I do. Make sure to like the video. I'm trying to hit 5k by the end of this month. So comment what you guys like more, and I see you guys in the next one. Peace.